Today we are looking at something different, something that involves magic. The summer solstice isn't here quite yet, but the sun is shining, so let's go outside to see the magic of telephony. Without wires. You could call this the Opis 60s, but really, it's the Opis 60s. The Opis 60s is a mobile phone with a conventional rotary dial. It also has a push-button cousin, but the dial set is the fun one. Built in China but designed and marketed by Opis Technology in the German city of Dresden, the 60s weighs just 1 kilogram and is aimed at people who enjoy using a rotary dial telephone. The Opis website explains, "Our mobile phone is a fully functioning cell phone that we designed as an old-fashioned telephone from the 1960s. Clearly Opis designed the working parts, but the look of these Opis sets is very familiar, including the G-type handsets. The two handsets, although similar in appearance, are built differently. The push-button set follows modern practice, being molded in 2 sections, but the rotary dial set has separate microphone and receiver caps, each with a bayonet fitting. This is the first electromechanical puffin video to look at a telephone that you can still buy new today, but its appearance and traditional touches like the bayonet fittings might make it of interest to collectors. The most obvious appeal to veterophiles is the rotary dial, and although one can no longer say 1101 while it returns, it does not disappoint. Unlike most DTMF telephones with a rotary dial, the stop is fixed. In fact, the modern electronics of the Opis 60s not only ring the advertised mechanical bell, they also, like a pulse-to-tone converter, accept input from a genuine trigger-type rotary dial. So, no pasters on these consumer devices, of course, but there is a link in the description of this video to a user guide. And finally, here's what the 60s and the PushMeFon sound like. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and comment.